Namaste, good morning. How are you, children? I hope all of you are fine at home and doing revision for your PT1. Okay, today we will do revision of the your social first lesson question answer, that is early human beings exercise. Okay, the third main is answer the following questions. Dear children, today only we revise only question answers. Okay, tomorrow we will revision all true or false and other fill in the blanks everything. Okay. First question. What was the food eaten by early human beings? Answer. Early human beings ate fruits, nuts that grew on trees, roots of plants, and the flesh of animals that they hunted. Okay, second question. Where did early human beings find shelter? Answer. Early human beings sought shelter on trees and in caves. Third one, how did the development and use of tools help early human beings? Answer, early human beings began to find it easier to dig and cut using stones as tools rather than using their bare hands, nails and teeth. They used their stone tools to hunt, dig, cut and build. Okay. Third, fourth one, how do historians divide the Stone Age? The Stone Age is divided into Paleolithic, that is Old Stone Age, Mesolithic, Middle Stone Age, Neolithic, that is New Stone Age. Understood, children? The last one, how was the discovery of fire useful to early human beings? First one, the fire helped early human beings to keep themselves warm. Second point, they used fire to keep themselves safe from wild animals. Third, slowly they used fire to cook raw food. Understood, children? Now first lesson over. Now we'll go to second lesson. Okay. As you know, children, the second lesson is the story of farming. Okay, I taught you how farming helped them to settle in one place. Okay, the first question, how did people in the New Stone Age bring water into the farms? How did they brought water to their fields? Okay, answer. Early human beings brought water to their farms through canals and channels. They created a system of drains to deliver water from rivers. Okay. How did domestication of animals help human beings? Answer. Domestication of animals helped early human beings in many ways. Sheep, goats, cattle, so on provided skin, milk, butter, cheese, meat, and wool. Ox was used to pull carts or flows. Donkey and horses were used to carry loads and got manure from animals. These are the uses of animals. Okay. Name two animals that were used to carry heavy loads. Answer. Horse and donkeys were used to carry heavy loads. The next one. Excuse me. How was the discovery of farming useful to human beings? Farming helped human beings to settle in one place. Instead of wandering around in search of food, so from nomads they became shelterers. Understood? Settlers. Last one. Why did early human beings settle down along rivers? Answer. When early human beings started farming and rearing animals, their need for water increased. Therefore, they formed settlements along the river sides so that the supply of water would be easy and the ground was also fertile along rivers to grow crops. Understood, children? Now we move to third lesson. Okay. Children, the next last lesson is for your test is the wheel. The first answer, what is a sledge? Answer, early human beings made a large frame consisting several logs of wood. They placed loads on this frame and pulled using dogs. This vehicle is called a sledge. Understood? Second, what is an axle? What was its use? Early human beings made round disc from tree trunks and connected the centers of two discs with a long rod. This rod is called an axle. The axle have enabled two discs to rotate freely. Okay. How were metals useful? Early human beings used metals to make stronger and better wheels. Next, what is the name given to the wheel that is used to make clay pots? A potter's wheel is used to make clay pots. The last one. Name the machines where the wheel was used. The wheel was used in the windmill and the in spinning jenny. Understood, children? Hear this video properly and understand all lessons question answer. Tomorrow I'll go with true or false, fill in the blanks, all other things, children. And before going to reading question answer, you have to read the lesson thoroughly, understand, and then you have to hear this video. Okay, do revision, children. Thank you.